Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is September 15th, 2022. This is my 56th episode for C++ 17 2023 CUDA SQL OpenGL OpenCL TBB. This is OpenGL CUDA second episode for setup. We will make environment variables for GLUT, freeGLUT, GLFW, GLEW, GLM. We need to download OpenGL Mathematics GLM library. Please double-click this link. From this link, we can download zip file. Show in folder, unzip it. In this folder, we can find GLM library. Go up, we will copy this folder. System, DEB soft, we will paste it here. In our previous episode, we created GL tools. In this folder, we can find 4 packages. We will copy and paste for backup purpose. We name this backup. Now double click. In case of freeGLUT bin folder release, this is DLL. This is release build for DLL. Go up, debug. In case of debug build, there is last character is D, freeGLUT D, freeGLUT D. Now, in case of LIB folder, release. This is release build. It does not have D. In case of debug build, it has D. Now go up, GLEW, bin release, x64, it does not have D. In case of debug build, it has D. So, library release. Release build does not have D. Debug build has D. Now go up, GLFW, SRC, release. Release build. The file name is very funny. We will fix this issue. Also, debug. Debug does not have D. We will address this issue. Now, go up, copy this folder path. This is GLFW. Open up Visual Studio. Go to File, Open, Project Solution, Paste, Open GLFW solution. We will select Debug, right-click, Properties. GLFW, right-click, Properties. Select x64. This is debug. Linker, general, debugging. we will change it to D. Also, System Advanced, we will change it to D. Apply. Go back, debugging. It should be D. Advanced, it should be D. Then General, we will double check. Now click OK. Right click, Project, Rebuild. We are building debug build. In the command prompt, source, debug. This is D, this should be D. So, right click, Properties, General, target name will be D. Click OK. Right click, Rebuild. In the output folder, GLFW, source, debug. You should have all D, GLFW 3D, GLFW 3D, GLFW 3D, GLFW 3D. Now, in the release folder, we will delete. Change it to release. Right click, Properties, General, it should be release. Then linker, General, debug, System, Advanced. We will remove DLL, then we will build. Apply, OK, rebuild. In the File Explorer, we should have 3 files in the release folder. Once again, source file src, debug. All our files have trailing D. In the release, we don't have D. Okay, everything is ready. Now in the GL tools, we will create new folder bin. Also, new folder liv. I will create another file explorer. Here in the bin folder, we will copy all files, copy, paste here. Now, freeGLUT bin release, copy, paste, debug. We will copy, paste. Then GLEW bin release. Copy, paste. Go up, debug. Copy, paste. Then GLFW source release. We will copy, paste. Then from debug, we will copy, paste. Go up. I will delete LIB. Instead, I will create include. Double click it. freeGLUT include. Copy, paste. It is from freeGLUT include GL. It has GLUT. Open it. This file simply include freeGLUT SCD. Go up. Here, GLEW include GL. We will need these files. Copy, GL, paste. Go up, GLFW include. Copy, go up, paste. GLUT tools, GLUT. We don't need to set these things. So, in this folder, we have bin here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, I will delete. I deleted this part. It has 18 items. If we need GLUT, we will explicitly specify this folder. For most applications, these DLL files and this include files, these are good enough. We will set environment variables for this path. Copy, environ, search for environ, edit system environment variables. Environment variables, path, this path, edit. We will create new, paste, hit enter. It should not conflict. No, it doesn't. Now click OK. We will create new, paste, GL tools, LIB. Click OK. Then we need to define LIB. we should not have LIV. So I will create LIV here. Paste LIV. We need this environment variables. Click OK. Now click OK. Click OK. We will reboot our machine. This session continues after rebooting my machine. I have just rebooted my machine. Open up your File Explorer, System, DEBsoft, GLM, Master. Copy GLM, go up, GL Tools, include, paste it here. Now select GL Tools, include, copy, right-click, search, environ, edit system environment variables. Environment variables, we need to include, select include, edit, here, click new, paste, hit enter. We need to set these environment variables. Please note that the first is CPP extension include, then Intel One API TBB latest include, Intel One API TBB latest include TBB, Intel One API TBB latest include One API, then CUDA Toolkit version 11.7 include, then GL Tools include. Click OK. Please note that include this environment variable is for Microsoft compiler. C plus include path. This is for GNU and Clang include path. Please also copy and paste it here. Click OK. If you open it again, it will be listed like this. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Please understand that I kept backup copy for GL tools. Also, I kept GL master. We can remove this folder, also this folder. Also, we can remove all these things after testing. After testing, we will remove unnecessary files. I will zip this folder like this. This is 74 megabytes. I will upload this file into my website and put a link in the description section below this video. By the time you watch this video, you can download this gltools.zip file. We will test these tools in my next episode.